Hey guys, so I kind of have to make a quick update. I was planning on doing different videos this week, but we kind of ran into a problem. So some of you have noticed that when you go to my Twitch channel, it doesn't appear. It doesn't exist. Well, there's a reason for that. I have not been banned, but my account has been suspended for 30 days. So normally when you get suspended, it's a 1 to 10 day suspension. But apparently mine is just special, so I got a 30-day account suspension on Twitch. Now, I did appeal it, and I haven't gotten a response yet, so I'm guessing they're probably just going to say no. But the reason for suspension was hate speech. Now, I'm guessing that's because I call anyone who's stupid, but Twitch has very liberal and very annoying rules that tend to screw anyone over who isn't making them a bunch of money. Like, someone got banned on Twitch for saying that there are two genders. So, you can kind of tell where their political affiliations lie. But, whatever, that kind of puts a damper on our RTX 2070 giveaway. Like, see, what do I do in this situation? You know, people are like, give it away on YouTube, give it to us. But it's for Twitch subs. But I can't access the list of Twitch subs now because I can't even get on my own account. Like, it's not like they banned me from streaming. I can't even get on my own account because apparently it doesn't exist. And I can't make a new one because that's considered getting around an account suspension. So I don't really know what to do in this situation. I can't access my list of subs. So I guess we'll just have to wait to do it for either a month or unless the appeal goes through. Which is kind of annoying. But I'm sick right now, if you can't tell. But I don't really know what to do, so that's kind of what happened. Twitch has basically banned me for a month. So we'll be streaming on YouTube a lot. Also, once we get monetization, we're gonna do another watch time giveaway for like some of these RAM. I can't pick them up. It's like soap with RAM. So once we hit monetization, which we have the hours, we have to wait for the time to go up for when they actually give it to me. We have a bunch of sticks of RAM. We have a couple of these. I think we have like 4 of these sticks, each of them being 8. And we have like fucking 100 of the Aegis kits. But that's about it. I'm still very sick. I'll probably stream tonight on YouTube. Maybe some Minecraft, getting into it, getting some mods tonight. But that's about it. It's very disappointing. We got banned on Twitch for 30 days. So that's basically what happened. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.